Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I will be showing you how to create this simple, easy DIY Christmas tablescape centerpiece. And to do this, you won't need any hot glue, a glue gun, or any foam board. All we're going to be doing is layering. So I'm going to start with the tray. So you can pick any tray in your house that's going to give you enough space to create the centerpiece. The next thing I'm going to do is take my longer stems. All of these stems came from Michael's and Hobby Lobby. So I'm going to take my longer stems and start with those. So I'm going to lay my white stems diagonally in each corner of the tray, and then I'm going to place the red stems in the center going underneath those stems. So next I'm going to take these 2 poinsettias and sit them on top of the branches, and this is going to cover up that space that's in between each of the stems. Now I'm adding little accent stems of red that I've cut apart from a bouquet. So the main focus of this centerpiece is going to be my reindeer. Now if you have a reindeer that's standing on legs, that will also work too, but I'm going to be using this flat one. I'm just going to prop him up on top of the stems. And then I'm going to take these glittered pine cones to fill in the remainder of the space going around the deer. So this is the finished centerpiece. I actually love the way that it turned out. Now you all know that my decor for Christmas is non-traditional, but I still wanted to do a DIY for all of my traditional family. Those of you who do love all of the reds, still incorporating a little bit of bling and glam, making it more of a rustic glam traditional centerpiece. But this was super quick and super easy. Set up the rest of your tablescape and you are good to go for Christmas dinner. So I hope you all enjoyed the video. I hope you guys try it out, and I will see you guys in my Christmas home tour. Bye, Daisies.